Oh, she can smell them. They have to make their way underground before she gets here. They race for safety, and she races for a meal. But she might be too late. Or maybe not, because she can dig faster than the worm. And then uses her teeth to do the rest. I get the feeling that hamsters should not be a household pet. While she's already here, I sprinkle in some seeds, and from there, I left her. For 3 whole days. And when I returned, she was not in the cage, in the maze, or the ecosystem. Or so I thought. She built a sanctuary underground. Was she finally at home? Well, every night she would leave her burrow because she was on a mission. She would run from the ecosystem all the way back to her cage to run on her wheel. While I believe so much we're told about hamsters is wrong, there is one thing we got right.